3 from the pre-intermediate speak out textbook, and it's called Can You Tell Me? So we'll have function, finding out information, vocabulary, we'll talk about the facilities, and we'll learn to check information. And the first one, let's start with reading part. So we have the text and the questions. What do Chinese students think about studying abroad? And the second question, how many Chinese students are there in UK universities? So let's first read. It's a different world. There is a Chinese saying about education which says, read 1,000 books and walk 1,000 miles. And this is exactly what students from the People's Republic of China are doing. There are now more than 66,000 Chinese students at UK universities. So how do students feel about coming to the UK? It's difficult at first, says Yi Lina, a student at Bristol University. Everything is very different, the food, the people. But step by step, it gets easier. You open a bank account, get a mobile phone contract, and start talking to people. It has been a great experience. So if we answer for the first question, what do Chinese students think about studying abroad? It will be like Chinese students find studying abroad hard at first, but then it gets easier and they think it's great experience. The second question, how many Chinese students are there at UK universities? There are about 66,000 Chinese students at UK universities. Now we have vocabulary, facilities, and we have some words, and the task of the exercise 3A is match 1 to 5 with the places in the books. We have study center, bookshop, cafeteria, stationery shop, main reception, classroom, photocopying room, library, accommodation, welfare office, lecture, theater, registration desk. And the first is borrow book. So where can we borrow a book? We can borrow a book at the library. First one. The second one, where can we buy pens, paper, and notebooks? We can do it at a stationery shop. So we can buy pen, papers, and notebooks at the stationery shop. Where can we register for a new course? We can register for a new course at the accommodation or welfare office. Let's take the other words. Where can we buy a snack? We can buy a snack at the cafeteria. Where can we find information about where you are staying? So, to the fifth question, the answer will be accommodation or welfare office. But to the question about the registration for new course, we should take the registration desk. So at registration desk, we can register for a new course. And to find information about where you are staying, we should go to accommodation or welfare office. Let's take the other one. So what can we do at the study center? At the study center, we can study by yourself. You can study by yourself. You can do homework and so on. Some project maybe. What can we do at a bookshop? At a bookshop, we can buy books or textbooks. What can we do at main reception? At the main reception, we can find out where to go, for example, to cafeteria or to accommodation office and so on. The next one, what can we do at the classroom? We can have a lesson. What can we do at photocopying room? We can make some photocopies. What can we do at the lecturer theater? We can listen to a lecture. The next one is a listening part. Let's see what we will listen, and we should find function, finding out information. Make questions with the prompts below. So first, let's make question, and after that we will listen. So the question is like that. The first one is done. Where do I register for my course? The second prompts are where, the study center, and the question can be heard like that. Where is the study center? Number C, what time the library open? What time is the library open? Or what time does the library open? Both questions are correct. The next one is D, number 4. Where can I find my classroom? Or can you help me to find my classroom? So D is, can you help me to find my classroom? E, where use the internet? Where can I use the internet? F, where buy a notebook? Where can I buy a notebook? G, where get a new student card? Where can I get a new student card? And H, can tell me where go for information about. So the question will be, can you tell me where to go for information about something? Now let's listen. 7.3. Number 8. So we have listened to the questions, and now the task is number the questions above in the order you hear them. The first one is done. Where do I register for my course? Number 2 is B. Where is the study center? After that, number 3 is E. Where can I use the internet? Then number 4 is C. What time is the library open? Number 5 is G. Where can I get a new student card? Number 6 is G. We say, where can I get new student card? Number 7 is F. Where can I buy a notebook? Number 8 is H. Can you tell me where to go for information about? So the first one is done. It is A. The second is B. The third is E. The fourth is C. The fifth is D. The sixth is G. The seventh is A. And the eighth is H. So the next exercise is listen again. Are the statement true or false? We have already listened. Now let's say which statement is correct and which is not correct, or we should change it. So the registration desk is in the main reception. It is true. The study center is next to the cafeteria. It's also true. There is internet in the library. It's true. The library is open from 10 until 5 every day. It is false. According to the listening part, it is said that the library is open from 9 to 6 every day. You can get a new student card from the main reception. It is true. Room 301 is on the third floor on the right. Number 6 is true. The stationery shop is upstairs. It is false. The stationery shop is downstairs. Number 8. The welfare office is next to the stationery shop. It is false. The welfare office is next to the bookshop. And the next one is 6A. Complete the phrases with the words in the box. We have can, excuse, have, need, help, time, and kind. So let's add. The first one is me. So let's add excuse. Excuse me. Number 2. Can you help me? Can you tell me where, what? After that, as asking for information. Where can I get, find, buy? Where can I use start? Then, what time is the library open? What time do the lessons start? Can I? Number 5. Do I have to? Is it free, open, near? Number 6. I need to find out about speak to. Thanking someone. Thanks you so much. That's very kind. It's exercise 6A. In the exercise number 7, the task is find and correct the mistake. There are 2 mistakes in each conversation. So let's find. The first one, excuse to me, where is the bookshop? So, excuse me, we don't need to here. Excuse me, where is the bookshop? There is one around corner. It should be, there is one around the corner. So in the first sentence, we add, take away to, and the second question, in the second statement, we add the, around the corner. Number 2, what time do the swimming pool open? What time does the swimming pool open, or is the swimming pool open? Both variants are correct. In B, during the week it opens on 8 o'clock, at the weekend it opens at 9. And it is incorrect. During the weekend it opens at 8 o'clock, and the weekend it opens at 9. Number 3, can tell me where to get a student card, please? Can you tell me where to get a student card, please? So we add you. You need going to reception. You need to go to reception. Where can I get, where it's written, where I can get a coffee. It's a question. So in interrogative sentences, the auxiliary verb can should be in front of the subject. So we should say, where can I get a coffee? There is a cafeteria over there next to the library. And it's also incorrect. It should be, there is a cafeteria over there next to the library. So here we add, we take away to in the first, we add there, the corner, we change do to does or to is, we change on to at, we add you in the third sentence, and in B we change going to go. In the fourth sentence, can is in front of I, and in B, after next, we have to, next to the library. Okay, the next one. Learn to check information, it's 7.4. Let's first listen, after that do exercises. Okay, now you have listened. Let's do our exercises. First stop it. So let's do exercise. The exercise had a task. Read and listen to the different ways of checking information in bold below. So we have done it. And now we have exercise. It's B. What are the speakers doing in each conversation? Repeating the keywords, phrases at a question, asking a checking question, asking for repetition, and rephrasing. So let's see. In the first exercise, in the first part of the exercise, extract 1, it is, do you know where the main reception is? Sorry. So a person to get better information said sorry. And after that, it's a repetition, the main reception. Okay. In number 2, extract 2, it's next to the cafeteria. The cafeteria, where is that? It's repetition, so it's repeat, the cafeteria. Okay, do I have to pay? No. So it's free for student. It's tell information. Ask again. So it's free for student. Yes, they're right. Number 4, it's open every day from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Did you say every day? Again, ask the same information. Yeah, that's right. Every day from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Extract 5, I need to find out about my accommodation. Can you tell me where to go? Accommodation, again, repeat the most important information. I think you have to go to the welfare office. So repeating, let's see in which extract it's repeating. So in extract 2, this is extract 2, and extract 5, it is a repetition. So the information is repeated, like the cafeteria or accommodation. Then in the next question, it is asking a checking question. Asking is a repetition. It is in extract 1 and 4. In the first extract, it's sorry. in the fourth extract, did you say every day? And rephrasing. Rephrasing is in extra 3. So it's free for student. So now you know that if you need to get information again, if you don't understand, you would like to ask for more information, you should use repeating the keywords, phrases. You can ask a checking question or asking for repetition, and you can rephrase. So our exercises and our unit 7.3 is over. I recommend you to learn vocabulary, to repeat again the dialogues, and to learn how to check the information. It's the end for today. See you next time. Bye bye.